Hello everybody, welcome to our Shumatt channel. This is Qinchengda from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in common real diesel parts. Today I would like to share with you one of our injectors, this one. And then please, let's take a look together. Outside packaging neutral white boxes and also with the label on it. The label information includes the quantities of one size each pieces. And the product code is 0445110331. And if you want print with your own logo label including these packaging details, if you have these needs, please feel free to contact us, okay? Then let's open it to see the inside part. Two layers. First layer can be avoid some damages during the transportation. And the second layer, the VCI empty roast bags. That's the full looks of our injector. And for this one, applicable for FIAT and TATA. The engine for TATA 101, A2.0 and 000, etc. Then let's see the details of this one. First, you can see the solenoid valve parts. Each of the spare parts will use a protection cover to protect it. And on the surfaces, you will find the QR codes and other the product code. This is a plug here. And on this position, generally, the inside you will find it had a triangle ball in the inside of it, and oil can be go through from this position and it can be come out from here. Each of the products before we send to you will make the 3 times common real test. After that, we'll send out. This is the inject nozzle part. If you look carefully, you will find on the nozzle parts it print with the model numbers. Good after-sale services. 6 months warranty time. During this time, if you are not set with the quality, you can contact us. We can return it to exchange product for you. Okay, so much for that. If you want to know more, please, you can check our checkbook app or to find more information, or you can send comments back to me. On the YouTube and Facebook account, you can send us by the comments, and also we will have our own connect ways. Choose one way, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.